Okay, morning. Master Mason notes coming at you today. I like the kind of way I've been doing it, setting up, throwing out some of those clips, some of those really good geometries or wordings that come off. I mean, obviously they're not all like that. I want to specify some of that. Some days just shaping the stone, making a little, a little pebble the size you need it to be for the wall, and just grinding it down or stick it in. Hit it with a hammer. Methodology for what technique you're going to take on against what a lot of people don't see in the graph. And I mean, it's just one of those things you're going to hear me say it a lot until I get tired of beating the horse with it. If you can graph it, then it's real. Now, whether you're a total crazy wackadoo that just needs to know where the floor is, or if you're a little bit more OP with that kind of standard and run that thing in the stone mill, this is what real is. It gets into your just the big one with it is that it solves that problem with the boss talking shit about a crew member and doing nothing to fix it. If you do this, that, or the other, then you got to talk about it. I did talk about it, obviously not correctly. What didn't you? And that takes my part, their part, this part, and everybody's got to know that game board. And it's like, all right, now code happened, letters change, we got to play. That starts to be gravity, and you're not gonna get that at 18. You just don't know better. You don't. You don't know shapes yet. Like nobody taught you what a simile is yet, because you don't know how to know English. Realistically, there are rules about what you can say and can't say before a true harassment line walks in. So the note is generally, you get into some chemist and it's just some molecular pressure, triple point, or water, why water and air. There's water in the air. There's water in water, but why water and everything in the universe says it happens here is by some random standard. And then you're standing in a fucking pond, right? Wondering why you're treading water and you can't swing a hammer or whatever. Screaming fish falling over a waterfall for a black hole schwa shield, little doomslayer, hadron collider method. I mean, little gorilla climb up the tree, it's got a crack in it, it falls over, big gorilla looks at it. Here we go. It's gravity. Good hit. Sorry about your microphone. Now, depending on how close you are, you're gonna tone frequency. That would be about the right response. And if I were to not do that, good bark, yeah. Whatever critter's handy, Now, how would that gerbil feel if you got home right now? He's a funny crock, isn't he? You're naughty. I think he was pretty. You can get the gerbil, you get the water chemistry, you get air acoustic flutter. One's really the basic 0-1 length, and it's going to follow them all. And then you got into some fractals of that, and that's going to just reflect kind of that triple point to why they're there like that. For some people moving at those speeds, I mean, you got to be booking. You got to be moving around cross water. As far as I know, unless there is some magic or EM field or some machine, and again, you hoofing. All the work I've done in my 38 years goes down the tubes. Everyone's going to go, we knew a crocodile. I mean, again, the game's there. I look for it in big players. I'll take on the mountain. I'm not scared. It comes down to a certain thing. Can you do the torch lines in the day and show those mechanics? Make your body formation on torches where in places guys were doing this and bosses will walk right around. And maybe they do or maybe they don't do that because they can fuck around, but they don't do it because you're there and you know damn well you just do. And, it's a faster timeline. You excel faster. The physical results are there. And so when I just do my biometrics, this is how the block works. You're left-handed, you are right-handed. This is left spin to charge and mass. The rocks are like this. That's the X. You can't quantify what they're going to be at that point in time, but to guarantee that's what they do, it is up down, up, down, not quadrants, not quarters, not, oh, I did part of it. Your feet were wrong, your bay was wrong, thing